Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to log out of your eToro account. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, open a web browser and type in eToro.com in the search box. You will then end up in the official website for eToro.com. Once you type in eToro.com on your web browser, you'll end up in the official web page. From the main home page after you are logged in. If you're already logged in with your eToro account and you'd like to log out of it, go to the left-hand corner of the screen and scroll through the options. Go to the Logout button at the bottom and click on it. But before logging out of your account, make sure that you know your credentials correct. After clicking on Log Out, you will be logged out of eToro right away. So that's how easy it is to log out of your eToro.com account within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again with the next episode. Goodbye till then.